In this video, I'll show you how to set up Klaviyo with Shopify. Start by signing into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left menu, go to Apps and click Shopify App Store. Next, search for Klaviyo, open the official app, and click Install. Review the requested permissions, then approve the installation. After that, sign into your Klaviyo account or create one if you don't already have it. Follow the prompts to connect your Shopify store. Now allow Klaviyo to sync your customers, products, orders, and other store data. Depending on the size of your store, the initial sync may take a few minutes. Next, return to your Klaviyo dashboard and verify that the Shopify integration is active. You can then start creating email campaigns, sign-up forms, automated flows, and customer segments using your sync data. Finally, send a test email or create a test sign-up to confirm that everything is working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Klaviyo with Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.